Hi friends! We have been learning a lot about construction sites and dump trucks and an excavator and lots of things, and now we're going to learn a little bit more about construction workers. So, the title of our book is called Construction Workers. That's the title. This is by, the author is by Emma Less. So here is our front cover. Here is our spine of our book. And here's our back cover. In this book, they use real pictures and photographs instead of drawings. So we're going to go ahead. Let's jump into this book. Bill's family is moving. Construction workers will make his house. So they got all the tools. They're going to be making his new house. The worker looks at plans. They show how the house would look. Right there. This is called, the plans is called a blueprint sometimes. And this is how they make the homes that we live in. This worker puts on a hard hat. It keeps her head safe. When working in a construction site, sometimes things fall, or it gets a little hard when you fall, so you wear a hard hat to keep yourself safe. This worker uses tools. She cuts metal with a saw. Look at the sparks. Right here's the saw, if you can see it just a little bit here. And as she's cutting the metal, there goes the sparks. Construction workers can be a man or a woman. This worker builds the roof. It takes lots of nails. He has his hammer, and there's the nails. He wants to make sure that it's safe so it doesn't rain in the house. The worker adds pipes. He adds wires too. What do you think these pipes and wires go to? Could it be to a laundry room? Or a bathroom? Or the kitchen? Let's see. The house is done. It's time to move in. They're ready to move into their brand new house. The end. And here's some of the stuff that we have seen. We saw a toolbox, a hard hat, and a hammer. I hope that you enjoyed this book today. I want you to tell me, what do you think that man was putting those pipes and wires to? You see what he was doing here? What do you think it was to? Which room? Was it a bedroom? Was it a bathroom? Was it a kitchen? You tell me. Have a great day, friends. Bye.